Congratulations on installing the Discount Depot app. I'm Andy, and I'm here to guide you through a seamless setup process. In just a few simple steps, you'll be up and running with the app, ready to create enticing discount rules for your customers. After completing the installation, you will be automatically directed to the Discount Depot dashboard. Let's proceed to create a price discount rule right away. To begin, click on the Price Rule link in the left navigation menu. Next, click on the Create New Rule button located at the top right corner of the page. Here you can specify the details of your discount rule. Let's add a basic 10% off rule for guest customers on all products. Once you have entered the necessary information, click on the Save button to save your discount rule. Now, let's move to our store's front end and see the discount rule in action. As you can see on the cart and checkout pages, the 10% off rule is automatically applied. Creating discount rules with Discount Depot is that simple. However, if you want to showcase these discounts on collections and products pages, you'll need to install the recommended snippets. To learn more about installing the recommended snippet, please visit the installation/uninstallation page within Discount Depot app. And that's it. You now know how to create discount rules and see them in action on your store's cart and checkout. Thank you for watching this video walkthrough of Discount Depot. We hope you found it helpful in getting started with your discount rule creation. Happy discounting!